Hey everybody, this is an update video on the 1986 Whirlpool central air conditioner. As you can see already, quite a bit has changed since the last video on this unit. It has received a new paint job. It is now on a pallet, and it is hooked up. The line set goes through to the back, connects down there. Here's your thermostat on its little setup on the furnace. Now I'm gonna get some power hooked up and we're gonna fire it up. And we will now start up the fan. Lots of air is blowing through there. I cleaned the evaporator coil. Alrighty, the condenser is not going to fire up because I've got no power to it and it's not ready to run anyways. But I do have the contactor wired in, so you'll hear that pull in when I switch it to cool mode. Here we go, you'll hear that through the door. Cool mode. And yeah, everything's functional. Switch it back to off. Alright. That'll basically be it for this video. The next video on this unit will be after we pull a vacuum and the condenser runs. That's all there's left to it. When the unit was removed, it was pumped down, so all of the refrigerant is inside of the unit. But that wraps this video up. I'll see you guys in the next one.